Your message to people na nakikinig sa atin ngayon na kulang pa sa kaalaman tungkol sa HIV, kung meron kang isang mensahe sa mga taong iyon, ano yun?
Never judge people who are living with HIV because these people is fighting for their lives, fighting for their acceptance also for themselves. They might be having HIV, but it's not the end of their lives. We can still live a normal life. We can still have babies in the future if we want to. And we can still do the things that we love. We are just like you, who has a dream, who has the capacity to love, and be kind.
At kung may message ka sa mga taong currently may HIV ngayon, pero natatakot lumabas katulad mo,
Living with HIV is no longer a death sentence. Living with HIV might be hard at this moment kung newly diagnosed ka man and you felt that you are alone, pero you are not the only one fighting this battle. Despite you have HIV, you still have a life. Life that is so fruitful, life that is so... It may not be perfect, but this life can give you the best life kung mamahalin mo yung sarili mo. Mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka mag-open up sa ibang tao.
alam niyo mga kapuso, yung HIV ay nasusolusyonan na ng ibang mga bansa. And it's very simple. I mean, testing. At kung may HIV ka, get ART or yung PrEP or yung PEP, do protected sex, at saka huwag mag-discriminate. Sa ibang mga bansa, yun na yung nagawa. Sana magawa rin natin dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you for your advocacy and thank you for being strong for all of us.
Yes po.
Your life is a gift. And we wish you more happy years
Yes.
ahead. Alam niyo po mga kapuso, may mga gamot na para tulungan ang mga taong may HIV. Pero sa palagay ko, higit sa gamot, ang pinakamabisang lunas para sa isang taong may HIV ay tayo. Yung kalinga, yung yakap, at pangunawa natin sa kanila, yun ang mas kailangan nila. Yun ang pinakamabisang lunas. Huwag mag-discriminate, huwag maghusga, kasi may buhay pagkatapos ng HIV. At pinatunayan na yan ng mga katulad ni Lawrence. Maraming salamat, Lawrence. Thank you very much. Ako po si Cara David ng I Listen. Please be kind. Please be kind. And please share your beautiful life. Thank you, Lawrence.
Thank you po.
Salamat.